Hey, I'm Mike Erlocker, the project manager here with Porter Homes.
My name is Courtney Kerrigan, and I'm the interior designer for Porter Homes, and this is the Endgame House built by Porter Homes.
It is right near the west entrance of the monument on the south side of Broadway facing Wedding Canyon.
The design of the house is very rustic, elegant. They got these gorgeous timber beams going throughout the house. It's very resort-like, but really keeping into tune with the Colorado lifestyle. Their backyard is basically the Colorado National Monument, and it's just breathtaking, and all the views and the windows just really take that in.
A lot of the things on that house with the custom work with the timbers, it was kind of, we put something in place, played with it a little bit, and then it kind of changed throughout the process. So if you were to go out on the back patio over the outdoor kitchen and you look over the middle of the outdoor kitchen over the swimming pool, and it's right up at Wedding Canyon right there. There are a lot of elements on the house, like the stucco color blends in with the area. There's a lot of stone, woodwork. So there's a lot of elements on the house that help it kind of blend in a little bit. Yep.
From a design side, I think it's really cool because the entire house is tile. So great room, bathrooms, laundry room, everything is tile. And usually around this area especially, you see a lot of hardwood floors and everything throughout the main areas of the house. So bringing in this gorgeous marble looking tile throughout the entire thing, I think is a really cool feature of it.